Hi guys, how are you all doing today? You are welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer Chris. I am a self-taught makeup artist. I am also a hair guru. I do tutorials about any kind of hair, most especially braids, okay? And I am also a skin enthusiast. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you what to use and what not to use to have a healthy and a glowing skin. Okay, I'm sure you all know this cleanser right here. It's written in French, I guess, Peau de Lune, something like that. Okay, you see this particular cleanser, I have used it, some of my friends have used it, and I know a lot of other people use it. And you guys, this cleanser from experience, it fades dark spots on your face and your body. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It also gives you this very smooth skin if you use it for a period of time. That is if you do not abuse using it, okay? But after a long run, after a while, I discovered that this thing is actually doing a lot of harm than good to your skin. Now let me explain. There are a lot of reasons why you should not use this cleanser. I'm going to give you about 5 reasons, okay? And I'm going to tell you what to use in place of this. Like for me, there was a time I had a lot of dark spots on my face. I actually used this and it worked, okay? So it's not to say that this cleanser does not do what it says it does. It does what it says it does, but you guys, it does more harm than good to your skin. Okay, now number 1 reason why you should not use this cleanser is if you're using it to go under the sun. Please stop it. Don't use this cleanser and go under the sun with it, because you're going to be exposing your skin to sun damage. Your skin will be very sensitive. Okay, so it is stated here that only use at night, preferably at night. So once you get a product, please turn to the back and read what it says there before using it. Now the second reason why you should not use this cleanser is the fact that it will destroy your skin barrier. And that is not what we want to do in 2024. You don't want to be using products that would destroy your skin barrier. Okay, so if you want to know if you have a damaged skin barrier, every product you put on your skin will stink. Everything hurts your skin. Your skin will be so thin, like very thin. In fact, there are a lot of ways to know if you already have a damaged skin barrier. I'm going to tell you that in another video. You can never have a hydrated skin when you have a damaged skin barrier. So if your goal in 2024 is to have a healthy glowing skin, please do not use this cleanser. Now the third reason why you should stay away from this cleanser is the fact that it is so harsh. Like once you open this bottle and put it close to your nose, you can tell that this cleanser is highly concentrated. You don't even know the components of this cleanser because it's not written here. It's not indicated here. So you don't even know what you're putting on your face. It is so concentrated. And for those of you that have sensitive skin, you don't want to wake up the next morning with your face looking like you applied red crayon on it, right? That's exactly what this cleanser will do to your face. Okay, because it's so harsh and it's highly concentrated. Any product you want to use and apply on your face, please make sure that the ingredients are clearly listed so that you will know what you're putting on your face. Okay, now the 4th reason why you should not use this cleanser is the fact that it burns your face out. The first time I used this cleanser, hey God, look, my face was burnt. I mean practically burnt. The surface of my face was burnt. That is what this cleanser will do to your face. And then after a while, maybe once you use it like for a week and 2 weeks, then the burnt surface of the skin will peel out. Then the new skin will now come out. I'm saying this from experience. I've used this. And during that time that your face will be peeling, you can't go out. You can't even apply makeup because you're going to look funny. So that's what this cleanser will do to your face. It's highly concentrated and it will peel your face and it will burn your face. You can't even use this cleanser every day. You can't do that, because if you use this cleanser every day, you just want to burn your face. The highest you can do if you're using this cleanser is use it 2 to 3 times a week only. Please do not use this cleanser every day. If you're using this cleanser every day, you're doing more harm to your face than good. So please do not use this cleanser every day. Now, the number 5 reason why you shouldn't use this cleanser is the fact that the cleanser will give your face multicolor. Yes, I mean it. The cleanser actually fades out dark spots from the face, but guess what? If you don't know how to use the cleanser, once you use it in the morning or afternoon and go under the sun, your skin will be sensitive to the sun, and the sun can easily penetrate into your skin, especially if you're not using a sunscreen. Oh my god, you'll come back with these patches here, this sunburn, this black patch on the 2 sides of your face. You will have it. You know, a lot of our ladies who are actually bleaching their skin, a lot of them have this. I know what I'm talking about. I used to have it because there was a particular cream I used to use, and I do use this cleanser a lot, so I had this. What saved me was the fact that I decided to practice healthy skincare. That's what saved me. Now you can no longer see this on my face. It's still healing, you guys. It's a gradual process. Once you're using healthy products, you don't have to expect too much. So I know it's a gradual process. I've been doing this for like a month now, and from afar you can't even tell that I used to have this, but you know, it's working for me, and it's a gradual process. So this thing will give your face that discoloration that you don't want. You don't want it. So stay away from this particular cleanser if you have a sensitive skin or you have a dry skin. Stay away from this cleanser if you have a dry skin, because this cleanser will dry out your face, it will peel your face, and it will burn your face. Okay, so now I'm sure you'll be wondering, oh, so if we cannot use this cleanser, what can we use to remove our makeup? Because I know a lot of you ladies use this cleanser to take out your makeup. You can use a lot of products to take out your makeup. Okay, you have options. You have a wide range of options. Number 1, you can use an oil-based cleanser. Okay, so you use that oil-based cleanser to remove the makeup from your face before going in to use your water-based cleanser. That is called double cleansing. Okay, so you can do double cleansing instead of using this cleanser. The second one is to use makeup remover, either the balm or the jelly. You can use any makeup remover of your choice, but just make sure you use the makeup remover before going in to use your water-based cleanser. Now, the third thing you can use is what I'm about to show you right now. Micellar water. Micellar water. This is a game changer for me. You know why? Because I've been wondering, oh, okay, if I cannot take out my makeup with this, what can I use? And then I went to get micellar water. This is Nivea brand. Okay, it's perfect and radiant even tone 3-in-1 micellar water. It's for normal to combination skin. It deeply cleanses, it removes makeup, it refreshes and tones your skin. It contains vitamin E and provitamin B5. So this is a really good option if you're trying to, you know, use cleansers on your face. You can opt for this. Micellar water is actually very mild on the skin. It actually soothes your skin, and also it removes makeup from your skin. Now, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to take a cotton pad like this, dab some into the cotton pad like this, okay, and use it to clean your face. So guys, your skin barrier is going to be really intact, and also is going to soothe your skin, and it's not going to be harsh on your skin. So get yourself any micellar water, okay, use any brand, it's very good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.